Well, we're ready for another hike. We're at the trailhead to the Chimney Rock hike, and we are in
Capitol Reef.
Capitol Reef National Park. It's early. It's 10 minutes to 6 in the morning, so we're gonna go see what happens.
We're excited to do this side. We have not been into the Red Rock side, so this will be interesting.
This will be very nice. So let's go.
Let's do it.
Isn't this cool? The sun is just starting to shine.
We're doing some climbing.
At sunrise,
Yeah.
as the sun starts to shine on the valley. What a beautiful morning.
Yes, it is.
Not a cloud in the sky and the sun's coming up.
This is beautiful.
We still have some climbing left to do, but that's our goal, is to look down on Chimney Rock. Oh, the sun's up. Here comes the sun, little darling. You loving this hike?
I am.
I'm loving that scenery right in back of you.
I know, it's gorgeous.
That's spectacular. You know, the combination of the sun being out, the incline, and really no breeze, it's starting to warm up.
It is.
It's not hot, but it's starting to warm up. Looks like the Chimney Rock overlook. The sun is kissing the top of the rock. Okay, this is a good place to stop and get a drink, do some hydration.
Absolutely. Kind of nice that it's just us and another guy out here on the trail.
We've got the trail all to ourselves.
Yeah, he's
Yeah, the other guy's gone.
he's a young kid. He
Yeah.
took off.
Yeah, he's not taking any pictures.
No.
So we're old, slow,
And we
take a
enjoy
lot
the
of
journey.
pictures.
Yeah, we enjoy the journey. Lots of pictures and videos.
Oh my goodness, the light is spectacular.
It is.
Over there in that canyon,
Everywhere.
that's the goosenecks over there.
Yep.
Oh, there's our trail down there. We're gonna lose some elevation. That means we got to come back up.
Yep.
So the rest of our hike starts right here. Well, we're a mile or so into the hike. We just passed the overlook to Chimney Rock, and we're on the downhill path of the loop, and it's time for a stop for a little breakfast and some water.
It's about 7:30, you said?
About 7:30, yeah.
Yeah, we're just taking our time. We're loving this. The one guy that was on the trail with us, We met him again. He turned around and went back and everything. So it's just us out here. It's wonderful.
We have the whole trail to ourselves, and even down in the valley on the road, there's no traffic. So this is what we like.
This is what we like.
So here's to a great hike.
This right here is very nice, and it's just gorgeous.
Pretty easy.
It's nice being on a wide trail.
Yeah. Beautiful. You will notice that at 8 o'clock in the morning, that highway down there is empty. It's a Monday morning. I'd say all the tourists are still in bed.
I had to leave and go back to work.
Work is a 4-letter word. Yes. That's cool. Hey, we found a shady spot. Sit down, take a little rest, get some water.
Yeah, and just enjoy it.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Oh man, it is spectacular. We're enjoying this. We're enjoying this hike. We're enjoying the scenery. This is a great trail.
Still haven't seen another soul out here.
We have it all to ourselves. All 3 miles of it.
Yeah,
Isn't that great?
we've done 2. It says we've got a 1.5 miles left to go. So
All right.
it's all good.
So let's drink up. And go do it. Look at that scenery, will you?
Oh, life is good. Am I smiling?
Yes, you are.
This is amazing.
There's a lot to smile about.
Yeah, look over there.
Look over there.
Look over there. Look over there.
Look everywhere. Wow. Look at this view.
Beautiful.
Oh my goodness.
Hello.
It's spectacular.
Hey, I heard it.
Did you?
Hello.
Yep. Yelling Jolene. Echo.
Echoing Jolie.
So we're walking through the giant boulder field. All of these boulders right here used to be up on top, but now they're down here because gravity always wins. Oh, zigging and zagging through the boulders. Oops. Hey, there's a rock there.
You know, there's so much to look at. It's hard to look at the path also.
I know it.
I was just thinking, can you imagine the sound of these boulders hitting?
Oh, wow.
They're
rolling down that
huge.
hill.
Oh my gosh, yeah. Hitting against other rocks,
Yeah.
other boulders.
Yeah, that would
This
be
is
amazing.
this is awesome.
Well, we finished the loop trail. Chimney Rock Loop. It says it's 3 miles long. It was beautiful. This is our last hike here in Capitol Reef. We have to soak it in and enjoy it while we can.
It's been a wonderful hike.
It
Beautiful
is.
morning.
Look at this. And as we come around this curve here, we see the parking lot. And I see our car down there. That breeze feels great. Chimney Rock Trail. Another one complete.
Yay. It was a wonderful hike.
It was spectacular.
Another do it early.
Another do it early, you're right. Well, this is our last hike in the Capitol Reef National Park. And it was spectacular.
Yeah, it did not disappoint us.
Not at all.
Oh,
The Chimney Rock is what this trail is named after. And that's what drew us to this hike. This geologic feature is just spectacular. But that was just a sidelight.
yeah. The whole canyon.
Oh, that whole canyon was just spectacular.
Well, even the trail, the hiking trail was very good. It was not strenuous. I know that I saw some places say it was strenuous.
Uh-huh.
I did not think so. And if I didn't think so, I think it wasn't.
Most people would say no. I gotta say, what was strenuous was the elevation gain.
Yes.
It was steep in places,
Yeah.
and you had to work it, but there's a big payoff.
It was beautiful. We did just under 800 feet elevation change. And so that was a lot. And again, we're in thin air because we're up high. So that did make a difference.
Yeah, but it was great. We enjoyed it. This is our last trip here. This is our last hike here in Capitol Reef.
And we've enjoyed the park. We've enjoyed everything that
We
we've
certainly
done.
have.
It has not disappointed at all.
The hiking, the sunrise, the sunset, the drive through the washboard roads in the park.
Yeah, that was probably my least favorite, was that part of the road, but the scenic byway and the drive that we did was amazing. It was beautiful.
The canyon, going through the canyon, getting to the switchbacks.
Yeah.
Oh my,
Yeah.
that was spectacular. And there will be a YouTube video eventually. Maybe before this one, maybe after, I don't know. But anyway, let's go back to the motorhome.
Yep, let's do it.
Our day's over.
Our day's done.
Bye.